Standard 5, Subject English, Lesson number 11, Be a Good Speaker. Remember students, in lesson number 3, you learn Be a Good Listener. Now you are learning Be a Good Speaker. So listen it carefully. Some people are good speakers, some are shy, some speak easily with their friends and relatives, but become nervous in front of a big audience. What about you? Nervous means here slightly afraid. It is important to be able to speak well, and if you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. So, for this, remember these few things when you speak. Following points you have to remember. Speak clearly, don't mumble. Mumble means to speak unclearly and quietly. Look at the person or persons when you talk to them. You should not be too loud or too soft, too fast or too slow. Next point is be polite and be pleasant. Pleasant means friendly. Next point, give a thought to the other person's feeling and interest. These points you have to remember when you speak. Then next is when you take part in a discussion. For that also you have to remember some points. Don't keep talking all the time. Let others speak. Show interest in what others say and listen carefully. When you agree with others or like their ideas, do tell them that. Next point is do share your own thoughts and ideas with others. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. Use polite words and expressions. When you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanation and give them. Interrupt means to say something that will stop a person from speaking for a short period. Next, when you want to give a speech, that time also you have to remember some points. Plan your speech in advance. It means you have to do plan before your speech. Note the points and arrange them properly. Rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. Rehearse means practice or do very well preparation for the speech. In this way, you must remember all the points, and after that you also be able to be a good speaker. Our lesson is finished.